How to fix character AI limit / reading mode. Reading mode is not a bug. It's a forced lockout that character AI introduced as part of its under 18 safety changes. Users who hit a daily chat limit would be placed into a mode where they could read old chats but couldn't send new messages. Reports from users showed a daily chat limit, often around 1 hour for affected accounts, a countdown timer, and being able to read conversations but not continue them. Now, if you're in reading mode because character AI thinks you're under 18, the real fix is to just go to the settings, advanced, and then verify age. Then complete the age verification process. Update the app if the verify age option doesn't appear. Character AI's own support page specifically says that users who are incorrectly flagged should verify their age to regain normal chat access. There are reports that Character AI has started removing or just rolling back reading mode because of the backlash and the number of false positives affecting adult users. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.